Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP JPY for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, GBP USD, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBP JPY in front of us right now, and we all know it very well that GBP JPY was the talk of the town because of this huge bullishness in the market. If you have watched my previous video on GBP JPY, then hopefully you all have made good profit of at least 200 to 250 pips, because I spotted a bullish flag on the GBP JPY and I clearly mentioned to everyone that we can go for a buy here. And if you have watched my previous video, then hopefully you made good profit. Yes, I told that we can exit by 156. I also made an exit at 155.80 level, but GBP JPY was so strong, so bullish that it crossed the level, and you can see that right now trading at almost 156, 157 level. So what should be our strategy for Monday then? Let's go back to the 4-hour chart. So considering the bullishness in the market, uptrend in the market, we should only look for buying opportunities only, because whether you are trading in the stock market, forex market, commodity market, doesn't matter. Trend is your friend. You should follow the basic rule of the market, that is follow the trend. And follow the trend means if a market is an uptrend, you should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is a downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. GBP JPY is right now standing at the weekly resistance level, but still we should not short the market because the support and resistance levels are not permanent. Yes, they are not permanent. In case there is a sudden buying pressure on GBP JPY on Monday, obviously it will break the resistance and will start going up, and immediately your account will be in loss. And as a result, follow the trend, my dear friends. And this is the only thing I request on each of my videos, that trend is your friend. Whether you're trading on forex, stock, doesn't matter, you should always follow the trend. So considering the uptrend in the market, we should follow the trend and we will get our best trading opportunity always at the support. Okay, so follow the trend means if a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is a downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. So GBP JPY is an uptrend, but and as you can see that we do not have any proper support here on the chart, but still we will have to find out, okay, how. So let's get started. So the first trading opportunity that I see, on the chart of GBP JPY is if market crosses the level of 157.45. Okay, if market crosses the level of 157.45 and it starts trading above it, then that will be your first trading opportunity, because you will get the confirmation that the resistance has become the new support. Once you get the confirmation that resistance has become the new support, you can easily go for buy, because you have found the new area of value. So if market crosses the level of 157.45 above and starts trading comfortably for a couple of hours, then you can easily go for buy. That is your first trading opportunity on GBP JPY chart. And as the market is in very strong uptrend, so I will not recommend any sell call, because I do not want you to trade against the trend of the market. See, if you are an experienced trader, if you have been trading for the last couple of years, then you can afford to take risk. But if you are a beginner, you are still in the learning phase, then my dear friend, do not go against the trend of the market. Clear? So your second trading opportunity is buying at the 155.50 level. Yes, this is your second trading opportunity at 155.50 level, because this is our Fibonacci level of 23.6%. In case there is a retracement on the chart, then there's a good possibility of market bouncing from 155.50 level. So if market bounces from 155.50 level on Monday, you can go for buy. But still, I will not recommend any sell call because that will be going against the trend of the market, and I want you to follow a proper discipline so that you can be a disciplined trader in the future as well. So first trading opportunity is this. If market crosses this level, this will be the new support, and if market comes down to the level of 155.50 level and bounces, we can go for buy here. This is our second trading opportunity. The rest of the levels are quite far away, so I do not want to discuss because I'll be coming down on Monday again and I'll tell you what should be our next strategy. Till then, just keep in mind that on GBP JPY, if you are looking for safe trading opportunities, then these two are the only opportunities for us right now, according to my analysis. If you're thinking that my analysis is wrong, I'm not doing a good job, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. Bye bye. Take care. See ya on Monday again.